I found this device on Amazon and it is incredible. This is a water teeth cleaning device for all those people like me who don't enjoy flossing daily. This makes it so much easier. Flossing has always been something I can never get done until I got this. So as you can see, they come with so many different attachments that you can use to clean your teeth with water. So all you gotta do is push this down and it's going to lock in place. It is also easy to switch them out by just clicking the unlock button and pulling them up. Now there's two ways to fill this up. You can either open it back here and fill it with water, or you can just unlock it and open it all the way up. It takes up to 300 milliliters of water and has 4 different settings. The lowest is sensitive, then moves up to low, medium, and high. You press the on button and it's going to start spilling out water, and then the M button to regulate how sensitive or how high you want it to go. This truly has made a difference in cleaning my teeth. It is super easy to do, and it is totally rechargeable and comes with the cable. I definitely recommend you check this out if you have issues with flossing like me. They really thought of everything, including this to hold it. It's super comfortable to hold and it's going to keep your teeth nice and clean. Check it out.